greatest, Talib Kweli as well, you know, from time. Yeah, definitely everybody knows about Jay-Z. Yes, definitely them. You've brought a different spirit, you know, into the industry, and I'm really feeding off of that inspirational vibes that you always put in, because you know and you see it yourself, you know, like your videos, the stuff that you tell people or say always go a long way to get us to become what we become, you get me? So we keep on fighting, we keep on pushing, and that's it for me. So hip-hop itself is not only necessarily one artist out of America, you know, hip-hop itself, feel me? So
No,
yeah.
so I love that. And just for all the throw upon you, my brother. Once again, it's all about Ghana. But this one question I want to ask you. If you could collaborate with one artist on this side, and not Rose, if you could collaborate with one artist, because you never know, that might be a phone call Rose could make. We
Of
never know.
course.
Who would that one artist be?
Jeez. Oh, gee, who's that gonna be? Who's that gonna be? I think that's gonna be Rihanna for me. I've always said that. Taylor Swift. I've always said that. I've always wanted a Taylor or Rihanna. Yeah. Let's take it to the females, you know what I'm saying? On the male side, it's got to be you, and then on the female side, it's got to be Rihanna or Taylor Swift. For
Oh
now.
man. Rihanna, I'm most definitely with you. I'm absorbing that Rihanna energy. And you know, as far as the collaboration with you and Boss, we could get that done this week.
Whoa. The
I'm
whole
talking
world
about,
just head down. We're gonna
and
get
the only
down
reason
this.
I'm not going to say tonight is because I got another dinner. I've been celebrating my birthday all week, my brother. But I'm just letting you know, we're going to do that. Okay, so
Of course, of
look,
course.
everybody who watching my brother, watching you, I'm a huge fan of you. But this is a question I want to ask. In Ghana,
Mm-hmm.
in the last 10 years, of course, with the African the explosion, I'm gonna describe it as an explosion. It's always been amazing. But in the last 10 years, how would you describe Ghana and the African music set changing the most over the last decade?
Thank you. Over the last decade, I can boldly say that Ghana music has always contributed to the influence of African music, you know, as we all see it, you know, globally. And Ghana music over the last decade has actually influenced the sound in terms of the Afrobeat sound. You know, nonetheless, you know, Ghana music actually has a pivotal influence when it comes to the Afrobeats of today, which would be, you know, the crossbreed. And we call that high life music,
High
which is
life,
like the
high life music.
it's for, you know, high life, like I mean high life, like lifestyle on
Yes,
the high
yes, yes, yes.
vibe. So that's actually the heart. It's like, to me, I've always said this. I said this on Ebro's show. I said this on Sway's show, Breakfast. I told them, and they found out that high life music has always been a contributor to the core of the sound that we have today, and that's what has been even before the last 10 years. You know what I'm saying? So I think that's what I can say. And artists like myself, bridging the gaps, actually bringing in all music of Black origin, which would be tapping into the Jamaican side of as well, or to spread it wide, the Caribbean side. And we have my brother Black Sheriff, who's also came through with some mad ass energy, you know, like the high life feeling, but still gives us some hip hop kind of energy. That's like something that took the world by storm, of course.
Explosion,
And
explosion.
explosion.
That's it did.
And
Explosion.
over the past 10 years, we have actually been pushing. I mean, the producers here from Ghana as well have been doing magic, like
Ooh, ooh.
producing some amazing masterpieces. Like, you know, we got producers like Street Beats, we have producers like Mixmaster Ghazi, like,
I
you know what
love
I'm
that.
saying? Like,
I
boys
love
with
that.
the energy.
And not
Yeah.
and not cutting you off. And while you speaking of producers, let's show some love and highlight who would you name are the three hottest producers right now in West Africa. right now? If you could name three.
Now, woo, I definitely mentioned Street Beats. That
Street
guy's
Beats,
mad. Wow.
Wagwan,
Street Beat, think of
Street
it.
Beats.
Yeah, he's behind some of the craziest records on, on the continent. On the continent, if you mean Ghana, I mean I can base it on Ghana for
Well,
now. We
base it
have
on base it on Ghana for me.
um definitely DJ Breezy is one of my boys. He's done some magic as well, when it
Breezy,
comes to production.
Breezy,
Gazi as well.
Gazi, what it
Master Gazi
do?
doing crazy. So we're gonna put together all these boys. We're gonna make sure whenever we get the opportunity to sit in a place, we bring all these brothers, to Florida and make sure we stem it out properly. See?
You already. I'm excited. I can't wait. I got another question for you. Just when I think of the club, last time I was out that way, the fashion, the way the pants was, the gear, the nightlife. How involved when we talk about the nightlife? Okay, if we go out to the hottest club, what's the hottest club right now in Ghana?
Right now, the hottest club has got to be Ace.
Ace, what it do? Ricky Rose can't wait to come out there. Okay, Ace.
Shout out. Yeah, thank
Late night.
Pablo and Ace. But
I can't.
definitely, we've had nightlife being held down by some of the creme de la creme, which will be Twist, as well has been holding it down, from time, and Onyx as well been holding it down from time. So I think these are my favorite spots, and we have some beach fronts as well that you can go to, which will be sometimes you have Alora, you have Polo Beach Club, Ghana parties from Dirty December. It's like bananas here in Ghana, and we can't wait for you to experience that this December because it's been a long time you came here. So,
Man,
you need to experience it for yourself.
man, I can't wait to come. When we come, we gonna hit the streets. We gonna celebrate.
And I
Man,
need to
look. This what I want to know. This too. How involved is Bel Air in the nightlife as well? Like, do we go everywhere in Ghana and they holding those Bel Air bottles up like we do in Miami? Because when you out here on South Beach in Miami,
yeah,
Club
we
Live,
we do.
we holding them bottles up.
I mean,
How
we
all the
do.
Luke Bel Air bottles
I never run,
big out there?
I never run out. Every human being knows that I love Bel Air. That's what I love. We do. I mean, want to go to the clubs out here? People love it. We love it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah,
That's what I'm talking about. Hey, Stonebwoy, we gonna keep
definitely,
building. Get that
definitely.
record together that you need me to do,
Hmm.
because we gonna come right back and we gonna world premiere it and drop it on them right here so they know we about our business and we real with it.
Definitely.
But look, Slab,
What's going on?
You done been to Ghana with me. Let's shout out a few places over in Africa. Come on, let's go. Ghana is the shit. One time for Cote d'Ivoire,
Cote
Equatorial
d'Ivoire, yeah.
Guinea.
Mad.
Shout out to South Africa, of course, Joburg,
Yeah.
Nairobi. I
Yeah.
mean, you know what I'm saying? Morocco, Casablanca, everywhere, man. We coming. Just know we
Nigeria
coming, man. Home,
member,
we gonna
Nigeria
heat the
member, Kenya.
continent up.
You know what I'm
We
saying?
gonna heat the whole, we gonna heat
Mad.
the whole continent up.
Mad.
Much love, Stonebwoy. I love you. Let's keep building. You
I
gonna
see you
be
next.
bigger than ever, baby. You just starting, brother. You
You.
just starting. You
Bless.
just starting. I love you
Love
one time.
you.
Toast.
Don't know. Respect.